Welcome to our latest review video where we dive into the top 10 best battery doorbell cameras on the market. Today, we'll explore each model's features, benefits, and potential drawbacks to help you find the perfect doorbell camera for your home security needs. Let's get started. Number 1. Wyze Video Doorbell V2. The Wyze Video Doorbell V2 is a compact and feature-packed device offering 2K video resolution and 24/7 local recording. It's designed for easy integration with existing chimes and enhances security with color night vision and two-way audio. Pros: high-resolution video quality, 24/7 recording with micro SD card, color night vision and two-way audio. Cons: wired setup may require professional installation, limited customization options. Number 2. Wyze Wireless Video Doorbell Pro. This model steps up with a wireless design, 1440 HD video, and a 1:1 aspect ratio for a comprehensive head-to-toe view. It includes a chime, offers night vision, and two-way audio for effective communication. Pros: wireless design for flexible installation, high-definition video with a wide viewing angle, included chime unit. Cons: higher price point compared to the base model. Battery life may vary based on usage. Number 3. Arlo Essential Wired Video Doorbell. Offering HD video with a 180 degrees viewing angle, the Arlo Essential enhances front door security with its night vision and two-way audio capabilities. It requires wiring but promises a robust and reliable performance. Pros: wide 180 degrees viewing angle, high-quality video and audio, night vision. Cons: requires wiring for installation, no included chime, must be purchased separately. Number 4. Eufy Security Battery Video Doorbell C210 Kit. This Eufy doorbell is a great choice for those avoiding monthly fees. It features 1080p video, a long 120-day battery life, AI detection, and includes a wireless chime. Pros: no monthly fees with local storage, long battery life and AI detection, includes a wireless chime. Cons: lower video resolution compared to others, limited advanced features. Number 5. Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, second generation, The second generation Arlo Video Doorbell comes with either battery or wired operation, offering flexibility in installation. It features smart Wi-Fi connectivity, 2K video resolution, and enhanced surveillance capabilities. Pros: high-resolution 2K video, flexible installation options, smart features with Wi-Fi connectivity. Cons: higher price point, battery life may be a concern for some users. Number 6. Kasa Smart Video Doorbell Camera Hardwired. The Kasa Smart Video Doorbell Camera offers a 2K resolution and continuous power through hardwiring, ensuring you never miss a visitor. It comes with night vision, two-way audio, and real-time notifications. Pros: high 2K video resolution for clear images, continuous power with hardwired installation, supports both Alexa and Google Home. Cons: hardwiring may require professional installation, limited advanced security features compared to premium models. Number 7. Google Nest Doorbell, Wired, *. The Google Nest Doorbell, Wired, is known for its 24/7 streaming capabilities. HDR video, HD talk and listen, night vision, and person alerts, making it a comprehensive choice for home security. Pros: continuous recording with 24/7 streaming, high-quality HDR video, smart alerts including person detection. Cons. Asterisk. Requires a wired connection. Subscription required for full feature access. Number 8. Arlo Chime 2. While not a doorbell camera, the Arlo Chime 2 complements Arlo's doorbell cameras by providing audible alerts, customizable melodies, and a built-in siren, enhancing the overall security system. Pros. Asterisk. Enhances doorbell alerts with audible chime, customizable melodies and volume settings. Works with all Arlo doorbells and cameras. Cons. Asterisk. Requires an existing Arlo system, not a standalone doorbell camera. Number 9. AOSU Doorbell Camera Wireless. The AOSU doorbell camera stands out with its battery-powered setup, 2K resolution, no monthly fees, and a 166 degrees ultra-wide angle. It promises easy installation and a long battery life. Pros. Asterisk. High-resolution video with wide-angle view. No monthly subscription fees. Long battery life and easy installation. Cons. Asterisk. Battery requires occasional recharging. Some users may prefer a wired connection for constant power. Number 10. Eufy Security Wi-Fi Doorbell Camera. This Eufy model offers 2K video resolution, local storage without monthly fees, and human detection. It's designed for those with existing doorbell wires, and requires some installation experience. Pros. Asterisk. High video quality with 2K resolution. No monthly fees with local storage option. Advanced human detection feature. Cons. Asterisk. Requires existing doorbell wiring. Some technical knowledge needed for installation. Each of these models offers a unique set of features tailored to different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize video quality, ease of installation, or smart home integration, there's a doorbell camera on this list for you. Remember to consider your specific requirements, such as wiring capabilities, and the need for professional installation, when choosing the best battery doorbell camera for your home.